2022 Ford Bronco Sport. About to get it ready set up on a Levelingkit. Some rims and tires. This Levelingkit for the front. Stabilizing wings. Level right here. Level for the rear. Spacers for the shocks. Shock. Spring. Let's get it started. Oh, let's get happy looking at a new engine. You know, it's a little easier. You got a little space, a little room. Okay. Yeah. First steps first, we get these front tires off. I'm gonna do the back. I could drag up. I'm just gonna wait. We'll do the front first. So we're gonna take this cover off right here. Got the 3 bolts for our strut. So let's take these wheels off and get straight to it. Alright, got that passenger side done. Levelingkit in there on the driver passenger side. 19, 17, 15, 21, 8mm, 13. Let's get to the other side. Got the front done. Put the wheels on, set on the ground. And see what we're looking at. Alright, I got the front on. I didn't do any turn or anything yet, so I gotta see my clearance, but oh yeah. What y'all think about that? Now we can hit some muddy puddles now. Should leave it like that. Call it the stain squat. Bronco nigga said stain. Yeah, we stain swap the stain stands. Stain stands. Hey. I gotta come up with something. Bronco buck. The Bronco buck. Yeah, there it is. There it is. The Bronco buck stance. I'm really not getting any binders, but I'm getting some right here. Right there, little plastic. I'm saying plastic, like getting rubbing right here on this little mesh stuff. So I'm gonna do the back and see if that take it away. It should be good. For the rear, you want to take out this lower shock bolt, this lower arm bolt, loosen up a few bolts for plastic covering, and I'll go more in depth to it, but it's a spacer. The spring will go on the top like that, and I'll show you when I get it installed. Sensors now, covering from the old factory wheels to the new rims. Got everything mounted up. 265/50 tire. What y'all think? It look way better. Way better. 100% better. I recommend this on every Bronco Sport. I recommend this on every Bronco Sport. I believe the Badlands edition, they had to drop the subframe or something. I know it's a little different, but yeah. That's the 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. 265/50/20s. On a 1.5 Levelingkit, front and rear. Levelingkit up there. got your Bronco Sport, holla at us. Easy out.